Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today for day 2 of my earring tutorials out of day 8, I'm going to show you how I make my bar earrings. Don't know if I've actually done a tutorial with these before, but I've done quite a few different ones and different kinds and everything. And today I'm using the Potomac Beads Spun Sugar Serenade, the April of 2024 box, and I'm using the Bibo 2-hole beads, opaque lavender, 3x5, and I'm using their Miyuki seed beads, Duracoat Tea Rose 8-O's. So I'm using these, and I'm using the crystals. I'm just using 2 of those. Then I have a wire guard, and I'm using an ear wire. So I'm making this, I'm using, for the purple one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 14 of these, the 2-hole beads, and then there's 2 of the seed beads on each one. So I'm using my Beadle on Wildfire, and I have 2 number 10 needles, and I'm working with both sides. So I have about a wingspan of thread, and I'm just going to show you how I get started with these. They're really easy to do, and I think they're fun. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking this green, and I'm going to drag it all the way down to the middle like that. And then I'm going to go up, and I'm just following this right here. I'm doing 1, 2, and then I'm doing 1, 2, and I'm just following. It's really easy. Oh, that one grabbed 2. 1, 2. And I'm doing these. 1, 2. And so I will kind of bring these down and show you where we're at so far. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So we left off with that. So now we're going to do an orange. And then one of the purple 2 holes. Then we're going to do 2 oranges again. And 1 purple. And then 2 oranges. And 1 purple. I'm just going to keep going down till I use up, oh, that one went flying. Till I use up all of these. They have a really cool look to them. I do a lot of my craft fairs, and I've done a lot of different colors and patterns, and I've sold quite a few of them. People are like, oh, I've never seen these before, and I'm like, So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a tutorial. I would appreciate if you end up doing these, to just give my channel a shout out where you saw this from. So let me go down here. Okay, now we're going to do the orange. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would do so. I will leave a link below to the Potomac Beads bead box. Allie has been just doing such great tutorials. Just their beads are so pretty. And she is such a talented artist. So here is these. And they look more difficult than they are. So these kind of like it could be a beginner. So 1, 2. Just kind of going down, pulling those down. Make sure that everything's laying right. And they can twist, but I try and make sure that they're flat like that. So I ended with the purple. I'm going to do the orange, one on each side. I've done this the other way where I've just used one needle and then gone up one side and down the other, and to me this is just the easiest way to do it. You go down like that. We're almost done here. Okay. And then we're going to do this. Let me bring this all the way down. So let me make sure that this totally lines up before there we go. And now we're going to now we're going to take this, we're going to take the needle, I'm going to go this side and this side. And pull both pieces through like this and grab this until it's like this and have that laying, have it totally laying flat. There we go. And now I'm going to go up one side and down the other side of the wire guard. Oh. There. There we go. So I'm going to have that way, and then I'm going to bring that through this. Bring that through this side right here. So that will be up like that. Then I'm going to take this other one. I'm going to go up through this again, or up through this side now. Oh, hold on one second. Let me get that. Up through that side. And then down through this side. Pull that. Make sure that's covered. And then I'm going to go through this other side like this. Okay. I just kind of adjust it. And there we go. Okay, so now we're just going to, there we go. Okay. So now we have that. So now we're going to lay this flat. Now to help stiffen this up a little more, I'm going to take this needle and I'm just going to feed it. Come here. needle, and I'm going to feed it all the way down through here. Let me pull this through. And that will straighten all that out up at the top then. Let me keep going through. And go through that. Okay, so I have that side. Now I'm going to flip that over. I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to go through all of these. Let me get these. Okay. And now we're going to go up through this side, and then I'm going to tighten all this up to make sure there's no spaces. Okay. So now we have this. Okay. So now I'm going to take this needle, go through here, so they're both on one side, like this. Make sure this is how I want it, like this. And then I'm going to tie a knot to straighten all of this up. There we go. Okay, and then I'm going to tie one more knot. Okay. So that's how I have that. Now I'm going to take this beading thread, and I'm going to go through this side, and I'm going to bead it through a little more just to make sure that it's set. I'll probably go almost up to the top. Okay, I'll just come out there, like a random spot there. And then I'm going to take this beading needle, and I'm going to go through these and a couple more. These are really pretty fun, like spring, summer earrings, you know. So yeah, I'm going to cut them from different lengths like that. I'm going to do this one right here, and this one right here. Move these to the side. So I have these, and then just adjust that right there. I'm going to take the ear wire, put this through, and they're pretty, and you know, you can do so many different patterns. You can use you know, any kind of 2-hole bead, you know, to make these. So I've had so much fun working with these. Once I started designing these, I started these about 8-9 months ago. Once I started these, then I was making like red and gold ones and all kinds. But when I saw this purple and orange and the green, I thought, what a fun pair of spring dangle earrings. And they're very lightweight, and I love the pattern on them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will leave a link below to Potomac Beads. And I will also leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest. Please consider following my channel, and like, share, and subscribe, because it really helps my channel. So this is day 2 of day 8 of my earring tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on day 3. Have a great day.